Welcome all. This is the third point for the protection of transmission line. As we studied in previous videos, the time graded protection and pilot wire protection. And this is the third protection which is used for the transmission line protection. As we know that the time graded protection and pilot wire protection systems are not suitable for the protection of very long high voltage transmission line. Okay, because pilot wire system becomes too much expensive for greater length. That is, for greater length the pilot wire required are very large, so these are the too much expensive. So in order to remove this drawback, we will discuss about the distance protection, and the distance protection can be applicable for the protection of very long high voltage transmission line protection. As we know that the distance relay will operate, that is, it will check the distance, that is impedance between a point of fault and the relay installation. That is, it will check the impedance between the point of fault and the relay installation. Then the relay operates or the protection operates, which is known as the distance protection. So this is a simple diagram. In a distance protection, the important factor is a Z. Z is nothing but a impedance, and this is a simple diagram. In this diagram, it consists of a substation, that is power station, substation, substation. In that, power flows from left to right. Then the relays at A, B, C are set to operate for impedances Z1, Z2, Z3 respectively. That is, for relay A, Z1, for relay B, Z2, for relay C, Z3. Suppose a fault occurs between substation B and C. This is the occurrence of the fault, and this fault occurs between substation B and C. Then the fault impedance at the power station, this one, and the substation AB, which will becomes Z1 plus Z. That is, Z is nothing but the impedance between relay installation and the point of fault. So it is clear that for the portion of fault shown in a figure, for this fault a relay B will operate. Similarly, if fault occurs between the section A and B, that is here, if fault occurs between the section A and B, in that condition a relay A will operate the first. So that is, if the fault occurs between the section A and B, for this condition a relay A operate. If the fault occurs between B and C, a relay B will operate. In this manner, the instantaneous protection can be obtained for all conditions of operation. That is, the distance protection will check the impedance between the point of fault and relay installation. So this is all about for the distance protection of transmission line protection. That is, the main advantages of distance protection is it can be employed for the protection of very long transmission line protection.